Nathan, thank you. Now, for many, Easter weekend may have been the first time they've been able to really celebrate a holiday with the ones they loved. And now, as more people get vaccinated, more are taking to the skies. THV11's Mercedes McKay shows us how traffic is picking up at Clinton National Airport.
TSA screened over 1 million people at airport checkpoints nationwide on the Saturday of Easter weekend. That is an 800% increase compared to last year. And here at Clinton National Airport, the numbers are slowly increasing week by week.
Southwest Airlines.
Long ticket lines, crowded parking lots, and busy restaurants.
You know, it really is quite a change.
Images that would have been unheard of a year ago at the Clinton National Airport.
Back in April of 2020, we were lucky to have 100 passengers flying out of here a day.
Spokesperson Shane Carter says the biggest jump was leading up to spring break. But over the past week, that number has increased as travelers headed out of town for Easter. The airport is now seeing 65% of the passengers when compared to 2019.
Our forecasting that we use has shown that our passenger traffic would get to about 65% by the last quarter of this year. But as of today, we're already there.
Anise Harrison was one of the many shuffling out of the airport on Wednesday morning.
Coming from Atlanta, Georgia.
Harrison back home after spending the holiday with her kids.
It feels great. I'm not afraid of getting corona or anything. I feel safe.
With more and more people like Harrison who are ready to fly, flights are leaving the jetway full and airlines are adding extra destinations.
Airlines do not just add flights. They add them because they think that they can make money and be successful. So with that, that's certainly an indication that there is demand.
With 29 departing flights a day and that number expected to increase a little each month, the airport's ready whenever you are.
Just a reminder, if you're planning to come to the airport soon, just because the governor lifted the mask mandate here in Arkansas doesn't mean you can walk into the airport without a mask. It is federal law, so make sure you have it with you. In Little Rock, Mercedes McKay, THV 11 News.
Now, among the destinations expected to return for the summer travel season are Destin, Florida, Miami, and Los Angeles. Now, hopefully our COVID-19 numbers will be even lower by then. 244 new cases of the virus reported today. That's actually the highest jump we've seen since March 24th. And right now there are still 1,649 Arkansans still dealing with the virus. Meanwhile, our hospitalizations are down, but we haven't seen much progress in recent weeks. As of this afternoon, 150 people are in a hospital bed with COVID. Finally, 7 more COVID-19 related deaths have been added to the total. It now stands at 5,660. Now, while our number of active cases and hospital patients are grinding along, we are seeing more Arkansans getting vaccinated. Another 14,000 of us now fully vaccinated against the virus, bringing the state's total to 492,473. And looking at this chart, you'll see that the percentage of unvaccinated Arkansans is slowly dropping. As of this afternoon, a little more than 64% of the state has not received even one dose of the vaccine, but that number was more than 65% a couple of days ago.